Welcome, friends, to my YouTube channel. Going to see how fast I can solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. We'll just scramble it up. Okay, alright. Almost there. Almost there. Alright, let me just move the camera. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm still in my pajamas. Don't judge. Alright. Okay. Alright, so it's all scrambled. As you can see, the white part is all scrambled. Alright. Let me just scramble it a little more. Alright, we're good. Ready, set, go. Okay. Oh, jeez. Solved. Okay, that was 25 seconds. 25 seconds! That's a new record! Oh! That's a new record! Well, for me, comment down below if you could do it faster, or if you could even do it. Comment down below if you could do a whole Rubik's Cube. And please tell me how to do that. Let's see if I could. I can't believe I beat my record. Let's see if I can beat my record again. Alright. Let me just scramble it. Scramble it more. I'm trying to get all the white parts not to touch. Like, let's see. They can't do this. They can't touch like that. Alright. See, like that. They can't touch like that. Alright. Alright. Go. Done. 70 seconds. Let's go. Can you spin on one knee? Oh, super dizzy. Can you spin on one knee like I can? Let's see. Do that. Oh. Can you spin a basketball with one hand? Has no air. Ah! Well, can you spin a basketball with one finger? Comment down below. Alright. I can't believe I did that! Oh. Alright, scramble it again. Okay, it's all scrambled. Oh, 3-1, 3-1, no. Alright, someone scrambled. Alright, I'm gonna start right now. messing up. Ah! Jeez Louise, I'm messing up like so bad. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, that's already 27 minutes, I think. I don't know, I'm not really looking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, that was more than done. 37 seconds. Jeez, I suck. Alright, I'm gonna scramble it again. Alright. Wait, what just happened? You know what? Never mind, I'm just gonna scramble it. Alright. Reset. Go. I'm done! 9 seconds, guys. 9 seconds! Oh, wait, no. That was 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Score. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, get my Rubik's Cube. Solved it, right? Scrambled. Oh, slow down. Oh. Okay. Righty then. Katie then. Done! Wait. That was 11 seconds. Come on now. Alright. Scrambling. Alright. There. All scrambled. Right. Wait. Alright, we're good. 3, 2, 1. Go. So remember, my score is 11. Okay. Oh, jeez, I'm messing up. Oh. I messed up. Done. Whew. 37 seconds. Let's just scramble it. Alright, it's all scrambled, guys. Oh, wait, what the? No, it's not. Yo, why can't it scramble? It's too good. Oh. Geez, something happened to the camera. Okay, it's all scrambled, guys. Oh! Oh! Okay, scramble more. There, it's all scrambled, guys. It's all scrambled. Okay, this is happening to me way too much. Now I'm just joking. Alright, let me actually scramble it now. There you go, it's all scrambled. See, it's all scrambled. Okay, scramble it more. Okay, it's all scrambled. Alright, time's almost here. Okay. I'm gonna pass my high score. Ready? Set. Go. Done! 5 seconds! Oh! I'm a boss like that. I'm a boss like that. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Max, get away from me. Ah! I'm a boss. I'm a cute boss. And that's for it today, guys. I just solved my cube. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Whoa! Watch it.
Hey.
Yeah. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.